Hello.
Hello, welcome to my shop.
Thank you. Your shop looks very nice.
Thank you so much. How can I help you?
I want to buy a school bag.
Sure, we have many new designs.
I need a strong and big bag.
Okay, this one is very strong and spacious.
Do you have this bag in blue?
Yes, we have blue, black, and red.
Can I see the blue one?
Of course. Here you are.
It looks beautiful. How much is this bag?
It is about $7.
Oh, that is a little expensive.
It is high quality and waterproof.
Can you give me a discount?
Yes, I can give you 10% discount.
Thank you. That sounds good. Is it strong for school books?
Yes, it has strong straps and good zippers.
Is there any warranty?
Yes, 1-month warranty.
Can I pay online?
Yes, we accept cash and online payment.
Okay, I will pay online.
Please scan this QR code. I will pack your bag.
Thank you.
Here is your bag and receipt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for shopping with us.
See you again.
Have a nice day.
Buying shoes, conversation. Hello.
Hello, what can I help you with?
I am looking for new shoes.
Sure, what kind of shoes do you want?
I want running shoes.
These running shoes are very good.
They look nice.
They are light and comfortable.
Can I try them?
Yes, please try them.
They feel comfortable.
That's great.
Do you have them in white?
Yes, we have white and black.
I like the white ones.
Good choice.
How much are they?
They are about $9.
Can you give me a discount?
Yes, I can give you about 70 cents off.
Okay, I will take them.
Thank you.
Can you pack them?
Yes, I will pack them now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See you again.
Have a nice day.
Buying makeup, conversation. Hello.
Hello, welcome to my makeup shop.
I want to buy some makeup.
Sure, what do you need?
I need a good lipstick.
We have many beautiful lipsticks.
Can I see them?
Of course. Here they are.
These colors are very nice.
Yes, they are very popular.
Do you have a red lipstick?
Yes, this red lipstick is very beautiful.
I like this color.
It looks great on everyone.
How much is this lipstick?
It is $10.
That is a little expensive.
It is very good quality.
Can you give me a discount?
Yes, I can give you $1 off.
Okay, I will take it.
Great choice.
Do you have foundation?
Yes, we have many types of foundation.
I need one for my skin tone.
This one will match your skin.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I will buy both.
Okay, I will pack them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for shopping with us.
See you again.
Have a nice day.